Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to see a story from third standard, third term, unit 2, a supplementary reader. And the topic of the story is Amazing Amachi. So let's go on with the story.
Amachi, could we make coconut burfi?
Sabari asked.
Please.
He asked. Only if you help me make it, replied Amachi.
Yay!
Said Sabri excitedly.
Ready?
Shouted Sabri. Ready, said Amachi after sitting on the seat tied to the pulley. We will only pick ripe coconuts, okay? The one that are brown all over. Pull me up, up, up and up. Now watch out. Here they come. Now let us take the husk off. Here we have a video in which they are showing how to husk off a coconut using a tool lever. Crank! The lever of the machine rang. This was Sabari's tummy, not the liver. Amachi giggled. Then we cracked the shell with cleaver, like this, and grate the fruit. Toss it into the pan with sugar and all other things, said Amachi.
It smells so good, Amachi,
said Sabri. Then we pour it all out onto a tray. Let us wait for it to cool. Now cut it into neat little pieces. Yay! Our coconut burfi is ready to eat.
Yum! Thank you, Amachi.
And this is how Sabari had his burfi. The end of the story. Tools used in this story: pulley, P-U-L-L-E-Y, pulley. Liver, L-E-V-E-R, liver. Cleaver, C-L-E-A-V-E-R, cleaver. Grater, G-R-A-T-E-R, grater. Thank you for watching our video. Like, subscribe and comment, and do watch our next video which will have the book exercises of this story.